I need somebody.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochely Dorman and today I am back with a very interesting video, and it's about deep conditioning for your hair. And this is one of my favorite deep conditioner, so I'm gonna tell you why and how to deep condition your hair. Okay guys, why to deep conditioning your hair is very helpful for your hair. It's great for you that are transitioning for natural hair, and it's also help you prevent breakage and split ends. You're not going to see result in a week, okay, let's just be real, but eventually after deep conditioning your hair for months, you're going to see a huge difference in your hair. You're going to see how your hair is going to look so much more moisturizing and shiny. So yeah, I really recommend this, and it's very affordable and easy to do. So if you want to see how to deep condition your hair, please keep on watching. Okay guys, what you're going to need for this protein treatment is 1 avocado. In my case, I am using 1 avocado and a half because mine was small. So avocado is moisture and protein retention for your hair. You're also going to use 1 egg, and as you know, eggs strengthen your hair with protein and biotin. Okay, so after that, you're going to mash this avocado with the egg. You're going to mash it with a fork or with anything you can. You can also put it in the blender if you want. And you're going to need 2 spoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil makes your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster, and is also a nourish for the scalp. And olive oil adds shines and promote hair growth. You're going to need 2 spoons of olive virgin oil. Okay, and lastly, all you're going to do is mix it very well. Okay guys, make sure to section your hair as you want, and all I want to tell you is that this treatment is packed with protein and nutrients that moisture and strengthen the hair. Make sure to do this once a week to see a better result. I am so happy because I seen my hair is growing. Okay guys, when you finish putting this extreme deep conditioner in your hair, make sure to put a plastic bag so that it can absorb better in your hair, and wait at least 20 minutes, then you wash your hair like you normally do. Okay guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. This is the result after I shampoo and condition my hair. I did not diffuse my hair this time, so this is how it looked when it naturally air dry. So yeah guys, if you enjoy watching this, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think about this hair treatment, and if you already tried, tell me if you really like it or if you recommend it as well. So yeah guys, see you in my next video, and once more, thank you for watching my video.